This simple show explains how unified communications works with Jabra headsets. This is Peter. Peter is a company sales director, and he and his team use lots of different communication channels each day. They speak to customers on landline telephones. Video conferencing is carried out using voice over IP, and when they're out of the office, they use their mobile phones. In the meantime, their email inboxes are constantly receiving new messages, which leads to increased stress. Peter decides to introduce a unified communication solution. This brings together all communication interfaces into a single integrated application environment. At the last minute, he also generously equips his team with low-price headsets from the nearest discount store. Peter hopes to achieve more efficient workflows, increased productivity, and lower costs. But the cheap headsets from the discount store quickly turn out to be a mistake. UC functions like taking calls directly on the headset or the mute facility are not supported. The sound quality is terrible and the material inferior. There is also no alternative wearing style to the headband, not to mention any spare parts or technical support. What's more, when the employees are out of the office, they have to revert to using their mobile phone or an additional Bluetooth headset again and again. His colleagues are irritated, and Peter is frustrated. His friend Thomas recommends professional Jabra headsets to him. They are UC certified, meet all technical standards, and the highest demands of ergonomic design. Thomas is also really complimentary about the excellent product advice and refers Peter to a specialist reseller. The specialist reseller recommends the Jabra Go 6470 model for the sales team. It will enable calls to be answered and ended remotely from a landline, a soft phone, or a mobile. That means Peter won't miss any more calls. Installing it in the office is easy. Thanks to plug and play, the base station is quickly connected to Peter's computer, as well as the landline and mobile phone. Jabra's close collaboration with manufacturers of UC systems guarantees full support for UC standard actions like call answering and ending, microphone mute, and volume adjustment directly on the headset. With his new Jabra headset, Peter can even take calls from his landline phone if he is using it at the same time as his mobile. The multi-use function means that even switching between several callers is no problem. Peter and his colleagues can use the telephone while keeping their hands free to type or refer to documents. And wireless headsets mean they can move around the office. The core expertise and many years of experience that Jabra has in the acoustic field produces speech quality of the highest standard. Thanks to wideband audio, conversations sound clearer and more natural because the frequency range for voice transmission is double. No annoying queries or interference means that communication is more efficient, the employees are clearly more motivated, and the customers are happy. Thomas also benefits from Jabra headsets. After a productive working day, he and Peter can finally raise their glasses to an early finish. Unified communications with Jabra headsets. More information at jabra.com.